I got stranded in Iceland for 48 hours without a winter coat. I literally don't even care because I got to go to the biggest waterfall in the country, and look at this video I got. I literally dare you guys to watch this right now and like tell me that this isn't where the fairies live. Do you see that in the distance? Oh my god. Actually, the cutest place I've ever seen. It was the windiest, rainiest day of my actual entire life, and I was like wickedly unprepared. But again, like literally who cares? Not me, because look at this geyser I saw. I never knew that I could think a geyser was cute, but like literally it's just a baby. I went to this place where there was just like geysers everywhere with steam coming out of them. Look at the little bubbles. So look how beautiful the walk to the waterfall was. I forgot to put this up earlier. Even though I didn't have a winter coat, my heart was warmed by the fact that I found out I have followers from Iceland and y'all were offering me your winter coats in the comments. Genuinely, that was the nicest thing ever. I appreciate you so much. I'm in Estonia right now, so let me know if you guys want more travel videos. I'm really obsessed with the place that I am right now. It's so cute, so let me know.